Hi, today I'll be doing a review of Air France KLM Visa Signature Credit Card. If you fly internationally or you're someone who loves earning travel rewards, especially with Air France or KLM, then this credit card might seriously catch your attention. But is it actually worth it in 2026? And more importantly, is it the right card for you? Let's get started. The Air France KLM Visa Signature Credit Card is a co-branded airline credit card tied to the Flying Blue Loyalty Program, which is the frequent flyer program for Air France, KLM, and the entire SkyTeam Alliance. Now that's a big deal because SkyTeam includes a massive global network of destinations, meaning the miles you earn here are not limited to just one airline. This card is issued by Bank of America and was relaunched as a Visa Signature Card, bringing improved rewards and better earning potential compared to earlier versions. Unlike many airline credit cards that only focus on rewards, this one actually helps you move up the airline loyalty ladder, which means better travel experiences over time. So if you're someone who flies Air France or KLM even a few times a year, this can quickly become a long-term travel companion. Now let us talk about the main features of the Air France KLM Visa Signature Credit Card. First is the generous welcome bonus. You can earn a large welcome bonus of up to 70,000 miles plus 100 XP after meeting the spending requirement within the first 3 months. And the spending requirement is $3,000. That alone can be enough for a long haul flight or multiple short trips. There's strong earning rates. Here's how you earn the miles. You earn 3 times miles on Air France and KLM and also on SkyTeam purchases, 3 times miles on dining, and 1.5 times miles on all other purchases. That is actually pretty competitive, especially the dining category, which is something many airline cards don't emphasize. Then there's the anniversary bonus miles. Every year you receive 5,000 miles just for keeping the card active as long as you make at least a small purchase. This helps offset the annual fee over time. Elite Status Boost. This is one of the standout features. You automatically get 20 XP every year. You can earn up to 160 XP total based on spending threshold. And here's why that matters. XP helps you reach elite tiers like Silver, Gold, and Platinum, which unlock perks like priority boarding, extra baggage, seat selection benefits, and faster mileage earning. So essentially this card doesn't just reward spending, it upgrades your travel experience. No foreign transaction fees. Yeah, this is huge for international travelers. You can use the card abroad without paying extra fees on purchases that are made outside the US. And travel redemption flexibility. You can redeem your miles for flights across SkyTeam Airlines, giving you access to a wide global network. Now let us talk about the pricing. The annual fee for this card is $89 per year. It's as simple as that. What are the pros and cons of using the Air France KLM Visa Signature Credit Card? We start with the pros. Strong welcome bonus, high earning rates on travel and dining. It helps you earn elite status faster. Annual bonus miles that help offset the fee, and there are no foreign transaction fees. How about the cons? No airport lounge access. The rewards are tied to Flying Blue, and annual fee is not waived. Some competing cards actually offer higher rewards in certain categories. So having considered all this, is the Air France KLM Visa Signature Credit Card actually worth it? Well, here's the honest answer. If you frequently fly with Air France, KLM, or any SkyTeam airline, this card is absolutely worth considering. The ability to earn both miles and XP makes it more than just a rewards card. It's become a tool for upgrading your entire travel experience. However, if you're someone who prefers flexible rewards like cashback or transferable points, this card might feel a bit limiting. So in simple terms, frequent Air France or KLM traveler, it's a great choice for you. If you're a general traveler, it's good but not the best. And if you're a cashback focused user, it's probably not ideal for you. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Chase Sapphire Preferred, Capital One Venture Rewards Credit Card, and American Express Gold Card. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.